Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about setting up and installing your HP Envy Inspire 7955E printer on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser. And into Google, you want to search for HP Envy Inspire 7955E drivers and search for that. Best result should be an HP support page that says HP Envy Inspire 7955E all-in-one printer software. Open that up. And now on this page, you want to scroll down and select the full/basic driver support and the download button that corresponds to it. And just give it a moment here to download. And then once it's downloaded, go ahead and open up that file and just let this extract here. And then it should be a verified publisher, HP Inc. Select yes, and then just proceed with the on-screen setup here by getting it configured, and it should be pretty much good to go from here. Just will kind of depend on your preferences at this point, but it's a pretty automated process. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.